Most people get this wrong. They assume Frontline BNPL is just another buy now pay later app with hidden costs. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it's become a transparent, fast, and flexible platform for splitting payments or accessing short-term cash without surprises. Here's how it works. Frontline BNPL allows users to make purchases now and pay over several installments. Payments are clearly structured, with notifications to remind you of upcoming dues. This helps avoid late fees and makes budgeting easier. The app also offers short-term cash advances for emergencies, which are usually delivered within hours. Combined with its clear repayment plans and spending insights, Frontline BNPL becomes more than a payment tool. It's a short-term financial management assistant. The downside, overuse can lead to higher costs. Relying on BNPL for regular shopping rather than emergencies can be risky. Tips for responsible use. 1. Use BNPL primarily for planned purchases or emergencies. 2. Stick to repayment schedules. 3. Monitor spending using the app's tracking features. Who benefits most? People with steady income who want flexible payment options and occasional short-term cash support. Those with irregular income or poor repayment discipline may incur extra fees. In conclusion, Frontline BNPL in 2026 is fast, practical, and flexible, but only when used responsibly. Use it for emergencies or planned purchases, track repayments carefully, and monitor spending. Subscribe for more honest app reviews and practical financial guidance.